Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Just a small little energy check-in Capricorn to see how you guys are doing this weekend. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Capricorn, this is a read for the weekend of the 16th of October. 16th, 17th, 18th. Let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Capricorn, as always, let's take an angel blessing card for you and see what my angels will bless you with. My angels, one blessing or an advice card for my Capricorn, please, for their weekend. You're a leader. I like that. I like this for you, Capricorn. You can achieve anything you want and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Okay? Be confident and know that you are capable of achieving any and every goal that you have in mind. I mean, the angels are saying that, right? So let's see why this card is here for you today, Capricorn, and get on with our reading. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you so much for being here and supporting the channel. I'm very grateful to you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel. This is a mini read, just a small energy check-in, but we do meet here for other readings as well, the longer ones. So if this is helpful, make sure you join us. We welcome you. So let's see, Capricorn, how you're doing this weekend. Eight of Cups in reverse. That means somebody or something is returning back into your life. Let's see. Knight of Cups. Yes, somebody is trying to come back into your life, Capricorn, bringing you an offer of love. Now, I would have said this is new love, but if I didn't have this card, right? This card is of somebody coming back after maybe they abandoned you, left you out in the cold, or maybe they are feeling abandoned and left out in the cold and they want to return to you. So let's see, let's open all the cards. Yes, after something totally ended and I think you stopped working on it or they stopped working on it. Okay, so Capricorn, let's begin with the first card. I do see this Knight of Cups coming in with an apology or a sorry or wanting to work with you again. They feel totally down and out and very, very burdened that you no longer want to be with them, you don't want to work with them anymore. Now, I have the same card twice, right? So either you are feeling this way about them returning or they are returning because they feel this way, that, you know, this hasn't made them feel good and this ending has kind of shaken them. What ended spirit here? With the Ten of Swords? What's this Ten of Swords? Maybe this person earlier had a fight with you, or they said something harsh, rude, mean, or maybe they were a troublesome energy in your life, and then now I think they've realized it. They are taking accountability for it. They know what they've done, and they want to rush towards you now with this apology. They want to say sorry to you, and they can't wait to get to you, it seems, Taurus. Look at the speed this person is trying to come, right? Coming to you saying sorry, will you accept my cups of sorries and love and whatever. I'm very, very stressed out without you now because things have ended between the two of you maybe. So what's this Eight of Cups spirit? Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles is clarified by the Eight of Pentacles. So they feel that you're not putting in any work or no work is now getting put into this relationship, but they are adamant that they don't want to close this chapter off with you, right? They are now noticing that things have come to an end and Capricorn, maybe you're not giving them attention, right? They have started noticing maybe you're pulling away from them. Maybe earlier you were calling or you were making an effort and now they see no effort coming from your side and now this is stressing them out big time and they really don't want this chapter to be shut down completely. They know it's almost on its way out, So one more card, Spirit, for the World in reverse. Yeah, they want to come back. They want to send you a message or come to you or start something brand new with you. They are not happy at all the way things are going and things are ending. So again, I have the Ten of Wands here one more time. Let's see. Ten of Wands again, Spirit. This person is feeling very depressed and very sad. And in case they had many options, nothing has really worked out for them. And now that's led them to feel very confused about what's happening. Oh my God. The minute I said confused, here it is. The Seven of Cups is again clarified by the Seven of Cups. This is a very strong message, Capricorn. I don't know what's happening here. But yes, either you are going to be confused or this is, I think, about them. They're feeling overburdened, they're feeling neglected, they're feeling depressed and super confused. And they know that a decision now has to be made. There is no way around it. So, Ten of Wands, Spirit. Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands for Capricorn and their person. I think maybe earlier they were holding back. They never gave you. There was no equal give and take, right? Somebody was holding back. Somebody had their pride up. There was lack of equal give and take. And now that you've left, now they've realized, oh my God, what have I done? I should have made a decision when I could. And now here I am depressed and sad. And I miss the love that I had in my life. There was so much love with this wonderful person in my life, and now this person seems to have uh, pulled back their love and no longer now coming towards me, and I see them not working towards this connection, and I feel that delay. Yes, now they're feeling powerless, they're feeling unstable, and they're feeling over and out, right? They're missing what they had. So what is the Seven of Cups, Spirit? Why is this confusion there? Because they feel there's no more love left. Now because they feel the loss of love, they feel confused. Or maybe they had too many options and that's why they lost their love, right? But right now this person is not in the best state. They're feeling depressed, sad, and very lonely. Very, very lonely with a lot of regrets. I don't know what you've done, Capricorn, or maybe Capricorn, somebody did this to you. This could be a cross watcher's energy. But yes, I do see that somebody here did not give enough attention when the time was there. And now that the other person has left, not putting in so much attention, one person has woken up and is wanting to rush back with an apology and now wanting to give this, right? They want to now give this equal give and take, which earlier I think they never did. See, earlier it was in the reverse. There was no reciprocity, there was no equal give and take. So, High Priestess and the Star, yes. They know deep in their heart where their happiness lies. So, Six of Pentacles, Spirit. What's the Six of Pentacles now for the weekend? Somebody here, Capricorn, has realized that yes, they did not invest in this relationship enough. And yes, they were, now they are clear. Okay, now they don't need to think anymore. They know they didn't put enough investment. They know that this, they never brought any balance to this equation. Now they want to move away from anything that has been troubling both of you, and they want to find some way that they can move towards happier times and have this equal give and take with you. I think this because there's been so much of silence between the two of you, I think Capricorn, this realization has come to this person that I can't lose. There's been too much of quiet from your end. You've been quiet, you've gone within, and that has left this person feeling very confused. And yes, there's been lack of communication. Maybe you just pulled your energy away, and that's the reason this person is feeling very caught up in their emotions and feeling things, you're keeping secrets maybe, or they don't know the whole truth, they don't know how you feel. But one thing they do know is that you are their shining star, right? So let's see why the star is here for the weekend. Spirit, why is the star here for the weekend? So Capricorn, I think there's been a fight, right? But and you both have realized that maybe, or you've realized that there's no working together with this person. But this person, I think, whoever you've been dealing with, has now been enlightened, right? They know that you are the person who they can find happiness with, and they're trying to now come towards you to say, hey, let's get over all this, regret and tension and sadness from the past. But Capricorn, I see you now as the Queen of Swords. You are wanting clarity. You are not going to just give in that easy. They may want to come back, but you have your sword up. And you, as you should, look, these two cards are identical. Look at this woman holding a sword, right? And here you are as the Queen of Swords with your sword, same sword, right? But so you are going to now be in a place where you can demand and command, not demand, but I think command a position of leadership, right? You don't have to be anyone's afterthought. If they come to you, they better come to you correct. You must find out what they bring to the table. It's not always about them, that when they didn't want you, they left you, and now they feel sad, so they want to come back. So be sure to have clear communication. If they do manage to come back, they do want to, that's for sure. But if they do come back, you don't have to give up your position of power here, Capricorn. You are a leader. You must keep your self-respect and self-love going. Okay, that cup of love that you were giving to them, I think keep it a bit shut off right now till you have clarity as to what is going to be on the table, right? What is the offer? So yes, that's all I have for you, Capricorn. I hope this resonated with some of you at least, and let me know in the comment section. Love and light. I'll see you soon for a love reading. Namaste.